fly back to the United States, they'll take it up to the shop, they'll break it apart and say, why is this better, and try to reverse engineer it. So it happens all the time. And so we've already done the visual analysis last week. Now we're doing the functional analysis. The reason we do this is sometimes products don't work right. Sometimes we want to improve on the techniques that we use in making it.
Engineering class is where we analyze products and take them apart to see what is their function. In our project, we're learning about reverse engineering, where we take a certain product, we take it apart and look about its functions and what its background about, how it originally was and how it improved during time.
Engineering class is it's basically a class where we get to experience all the engineering things that regular engineers would experience in the real world. We get to build things, we get to design stuff on 3D design software, and it's a really cool experience, and I wish other high schools had it. I think it would better their education that way.
And everything you touch is engineered. And we build and model things in 3D CAD and multi-sim and other softwares, and we learn the principles of breaking things down.
Engineering classes at this high school and other high schools under Project Lead the Way deal with the design process of engineering and also the reverse engineering process. At the beginning of the year they get into the 12-step design process, and now we're doing reverse engineering, which is the way most corporations work because they steal products and make them better for themselves. What are we doing in engineering? This engineering class is IED. It is the first engineering class of the 2 required engineering classes. In IED we learn what the design process is, and right now we're doing reverse engineering. They brought in toys and took a visual analysis of the toy. Right now we're doing a functional analysis of the toy. And later we're going to do a structural analysis of the toy where we're actually going to take it apart and maybe even break them, if we're allowed to.